A. Address. ACL. Access Control List. AH. Authentication Header. AP. Access Point. API. Application Programming Interface. APIPA. Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. ARP. Address Resolution Protocol. AUP. Acceptable Use Policy. BGP. Border Gateway Protocol.
BNC Bayonet Neil Concealment. BSSID Basic Service Set Identifier. BYOD Bring Your Own Device. CAM Content Addressable Memory. CDN Content Delivery Network. CDP Cisco Discovery Protocol. CIA Confidentiality, Integrity, and Availability. CIDR Classless Interdomain Routing. CLI Command Line Interface. CNAME Canonical Name. CPU Central Processing Unit. CRC Cyclic Redundancy Check. DAC Direct Attached Copper. DAS Direct Attached Storage. DCI Data Center Interconnect. DDoS Distributed Denial of Service. DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DLP Data Loss Prevention. DNS Domain Name System. DNSSEC Domain Name System Security Extensions. DOH DNS over Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. DOS Denial of Service. DOT DNS over Transport Layer Security. DR Disaster Recovery. EPOL Extensible Authentication Protocol over LAN. EIGRP Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. EOL End of Life. EOS End of Support. ESP Encapsulating Security Payload. ESSI Extended Service Set Identifier. EULA End User License Agreement. FC Fiber Channel. FHRP First Hop Redundancy Protocol. FTP File Transfer Protocol. GDPR General Data Protection Regulation. GRE Generic Routing Encapsulation. GUI Graphical User Interface. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. IIS Infrastructure as a Service. IAC Infrastructure as Code. IAM Identity and Access Management. ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. ICS Industrial Control System. IDF Intermediate Distribution Frame. IDS Intrusion Detection System. IoT Internet of Things. IIoT Industrial Internet of Things. iKey Internet Key Exchange. IP Internet Protocol. IPAAM Internet Protocol Address Management. IPS Intrusion Prevention System. IPSCC Internet Protocol Security. ISIS Intermediate System to Intermediate System. LACP Link Aggregation Control Protocol. LAN Local Area Network. LC Local Connector. LDAP Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAPS Lightweight Directory Access Protocol over SSL. LLDP Link Layer Discovery Protocol. MAC Media Access Control. MDF Main Distribution Frame. MDIX Medium Dependent Interface Crossover. MFA Multi-Factor Authentication. MIB Management Information Base. MPO Multi-Fiber Push-On. MTBF Mean Time Between Failure. MTTR Mean Time to Repair. MTU Maximum Transmission Unit. MX Mail Exchange. NAC Network Access Control. NAS Network Attached Storage. NAT Network Address Translation. NFV Network Functions Virtualization. NIC Network Interface Cards. NS Name Server. NTP Network Time Protocol. NTS Network Time Security. OS Operating System. OSPF Open Shortest Path First. OSI Open Systems Interconnection. OT Operational Technology. PaaS Platform as a Service. PAT Port Address Translation. PCI DSS Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards. PDU Power Distribution Unit. PKI Public Key Infrastructure. PoE Power over Ethernet. PSK Pre-Shared Key.
PTP, Precision Time Protocol, PTR, Pointer, QoS, Quality of Service, QSFP, Quad Small Form Factor Pluggable, Radius, Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service, RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, RFID, Radio Frequency Identifier, RIP, Routing Information Protocol, RJ, Registered Jack, RPO, Recovery Point Objective, RSTP, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol, RTO, Recovery Time Objective, RX, Receiver, SaaS, Software as a Service, SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language, SAAN, Storage Area Network, SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, SC, Subscriber Connector, SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, SDN, Software Defined Network, SD-WAN, Software Defined Wide Area Network, SFP, Small Form Factor Pluggable, SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol, SIP, Session Initiation Protocol, SIEM, Security Information and Event Management, SLA, Service Level Agreement, SLAAAC, Stateless Address Auto Configuration, SMB, Server Message Block, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTPS, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol Secure, SMMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, SOA, Start of Authority, SQL, Structured Query Language, SSE, Security Service Edge, SSH, Secure Shell, SSID, Service Set Identifier, SSL, Secure Socket Layer, SSO, Single Sign-On, ST, Straight Tip, STP, Shielded Twisted Pair, SVI, Switch Virtual Interface, TACAX Plus, Terminal Access Controller, Access Control System Plus, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, TFTP, Trivial File Transfer Protocol, TTL, Time to Live, TX, Transmitter, TXT, Text, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, USB, Universal Serial Bus, UTM, Unified Threat Management, UTP, Unshielded Twisted Pair, VIP, Virtual IP, VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network, VLSM, Variable Length Subnet Mask, VoIP, Voice over IP, VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, VPN, Virtual Private Network, WAN, Wide Area Network, WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access, WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, VXLAN, Virtual Extensible LAN, ZTA, Zero Trust Architecture,